Hi, my name is Tim Hopkins, and I'm a practice director at McKinley Advisors. I'll be joined by my colleagues in December for this CESSE leadership workshop. Very excited to get to talk to leaders once again. I spoke with the group last December, and it's really all about board and chief staff executive leadership, really forming a bond, strengthening their bond, and improving how they work together. We'll cover a number of topics, but what I will personally be covering will be two things: diversity, equity, and inclusion, getting a sense of kind of where you are on your journey, and sort of having a better understanding of where you compare to other organizations and their DEI journey. And be leveraging a diversity, equity, inclusion maturity model that I helped create here at McKinley. And that'll give you a good sense of kind of where you are and where you might want to go as an organization. Second, we'll be talking more about how to go from strategic plans to implementation of those strategic plans and what the role of the chief staff executive is, and in collaboration with the board leader. A couple of the main things that stand out are, making sure you have a shared understanding of what those metrics of success are, outcomes over outputs in particular, and then also, how the organization can be more agile, and respond to changes throughout the life cycle of the plan and how you might go about achieving those things. Really looking forward to speaking with you all in December. If you haven't signed up already, please do so. Limited spots available. Thanks, and have a great rest of the day.